To make patties or to make pies, what is the pastry that we are going to use? Actually, we need short crust pastry. When you say short crust pastry, a lot of people don't know what the short crust pastry means. For every 250 grams of flour, if I take 60 grams butter, it is for patties. To make patties, you have to reduce the butter for this quantity and a little salt. If I am making the pie, that is large pie if you are making, or small shorty pies if you are making, we need for 250 grams flour, 90 grams of butter and half a teaspoon baking powder and a little salt. This is the quantity that we need. First thing what we have to do is take the flour into a big bowl and take butter which is straight from the fridge and cut into small pieces. Do not take the butter and keep it out for a long time. It has to be used then and there immediately. Cut into small pieces and then add to the flour with baking powder and salt. Nicely mix it till it comes to a soft ball consistency. That is like small crumbs like. Mix it nicely with the flour and butter, and once it comes to a small crummy and soft ball consistency, what you have to do is little by little you add the water, which is there is no quantity. Little by little you add the water to make a nice soft pastry, but it should be soft but not hard and not sticky also, so that you can roll it on the board and you can cut it. When rolling, if you find that it is sticky, you have to just slightly dust a little flour and roll it so that it's easy for you to roll. If you are making patties, you can roll and take the pastry, put the filling and cut into rounds or squares, and then you put the filling, cover it up, and I will give you a small secret also. Before you deep fry, patties normally we deep fry. When you are deep frying the patties, before you deep fry, put it into the oven for 5 minutes. That is all your patties what you have made with the filling, put it into the oven for 5 minutes. Then take it out and deep fry. It will be really nice and delicious. You can make the patty filling and the patties. You can keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want, you can slightly bake and then fry it. It will be nice. Not on the same day, you can even keep and use it the next day. Likewise, if I am going to make a pie, you roll the pastry to a larger round. It can be 6 to 10 inches wide, and then you can place it in the tray that you are going to use and put the filling, cover with another pastry and glaze with egg yolk and slightly prick in the center so that the inside will get baked, and you have to bake it. And baking also, it's not that easy. When you are making a pie, first thing you put the pastry onto the tray and prick it slightly, and in the oven you have to bake it for 3 minutes. That is, slightly you have to bake it and take. After that only you put the filling, whatever filling, fish, meat, chicken, or even vegetable filling, whatever filling we are going to do, you can put all that, cover and then bake it for 30 minutes. If the pastry is too thick, it takes a little more time. If the pastry is thin, it gets baked in 30 minutes. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you can bake. Not only this, what I am telling you now, we are making it for you. So you see the YouTube channel, definitely you will know how the pastry pies are done and how it is made. So this is what I am giving you, a small handy hint, so that you will also know how to make it. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get many more recipes. Not only this, you will get lots and lots of recipes in near future. Thank you.